What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about ICP, internet computer, which has pumped up in value 20% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $7.18. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? Covering both buyers and a seller's point of view. Is it time to buy it? Should you wait for it? Or should you sell it if you're on a profit? Or should you hold on to it before it goes even higher than what it's worth at the moment? So essentially looking at the best option to do right now and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? And is it worth investing into ICP in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and we can see the market is down just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours. And yes guys, we do have ICP as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see here, in the last hour itself, we managed to gain a massive 7% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 20%, over the week, 40%, and over the month, 35%. So over the last week, as you can see, slow and steady increases in value. But yes, we did have quite a drop earlier on, about 10 days ago, as you can see here. But overall, it's still positive, 35% up for the whole 4 weeks. Going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 200% in the last 24 hours, making it $177 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on ICP, and a huge percentage increase as well. Obviously, it's just pumped up in value quite a bit, so we are going to see more and more people trading it right now. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more people are going to be interested in the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of ICP, which is here in purple at $5.79. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at $7.13, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards a bullish direction, looking very bullish. Again, as previously mentioned, whenever you see steep lines going in a bullish or bearish direction, such as this one here, that means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies here. I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs over the next 12 to 14 hours. What I am expecting is an overall drop in value from ICP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting ICP to have dropped down to around $6.70 to $6.80 is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at. But again, doesn't mean that we're not going to see any more pumps in between. Yes, it's very likely to pump up to about 740, 750 over the coming couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down below the $7 mark towards the end of the day today, and dropping down to about $6.70, $6.80 in the early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very bullish, very steep, guys, going in a bullish direction. While the blue line is looking very steep and the orange line is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning once again an overall increase in value is expected. But again, yes, I'm going to stay on the positive side. So over the coming days, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of next week, I am expecting an overall increase in value from ICP, but nothing major. It's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be minimal increases in value towards the end of next week, so potentially hitting about $7.70 to $7.80 is where I'm expecting ICP to be trading at towards the end of next week. And again, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but of course the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Still looking bullish, but again, we're not looking as steep as the previous chart. We're looking much more realistic here. We've got the blue and the orange line slanting towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is again expected over the coming weeks. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early April to mid-April, I am expecting ICP to be trading around over about $12 to $13 is what I'm expecting. Nothing too major, even though yes, to some of you guys it may seem like it's going to be a major increase, but again, if we manage to give it about good approximately 2 months time, I'm pretty sure it should be able to hit the $13 to $14 mark by mid-April. But again, this depends on any major updates or major crashes or bull runs or price pumps in the crypto market. These things will have a major impact, not just on the value of ICP, but the whole crypto market in general. But anything like that, that's why I'm here to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and before we go any further, just a little announcement guys, for those of you guys who are new to the channel. So for those of you guys who are interested on daily updates on the crypto market, what you guys can do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join guys. After that it will expire, so make sure you're quick because more than half the spaces have already gone. And also, if you do manage to get in for $14.99, don't worry guys, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member, and yes, it is cancel anytime. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, and yes, I am into crypto for the long term, not the short term trade. And also you get put into a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on the crypto market, mainly Bitcoin, because more or less guys, Bitcoin is what drives the market in a positive or negative direction, and you guys can ask analysis and predictions for other cryptos, which I will also provide in the group chat. Everything is included for $14.99. So guys, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. And now back to ICP and its Fibonacci scale. As you can see guys, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to head into the green zone or even hit the resistance target, which is $22.90, which I'm expecting ICP to hit towards mid-year is when I'm expecting this crypto to hit the resistance target here and potentially head into the green zone towards the second half of the year. But again, it depends on the crypto market, how it performs, and as you guys know, cryptocurrency is very volatile. Bitcoin was about to hit, or did hit, just about $25,000 yesterday. Right now has taken a little bit of a drop, but again, that's part of the process. But hopefully for the rest of the year guys, we can stay on the green side, and potentially we should be able to hit, or ICP should be able to hit $10 over the next 3 to 4 weeks is what my expectations are at the moment. So what I want you guys to do now is comment down below, when do you guys expect this crypto to hit $10? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So, and again, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.